Welcome. Market open. Sell. New bid. New bid. New bid. Max volume. New bid. Middle volume. New bid.
Boo.
New bid. Middle volume. 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 New bid. Volume. Max volume.
What's it looking like today?
Fuck, man. I just had a jump scare because I'm listening to the price squawk, and we just had like a, I don't know, 5-point move, an instant 5-point move, and it fucking just blurted at me. It's looking pretty
Max
choppy
volume.
today, I would say. Like, we're pretty indecisive. We've been in a 5-point range since open, which is pretty peculiar. But we just printed a fucking
Max
4,000
volume.
volume candle. Wonder if that was news related. Could be technical. Especially since we've just been fucking chopping around here all morning.
Oh, I sent you a screenshot. I added a doji check.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm gonna code that in today before I go to work. That's pretty snazzy. I like that. I want to put a bigger emphasis on those dojis because those were really powerful yesterday, and even today.
Oh, dude, I don't know. Yeah, man, we literally greased probably the most perfect entry. Obviously, the news would have shook it a bit, but
Yeah.
the market just kept going.
Yeah, dude, literally all the way to all-time highs. And you and me called that yesterday. We said this could go to all-time highs. And it did. Like literally right from our entry, it went to fucking all-time highs. We would have ate that nasty drawdown, but that wasn't even that bad. It was like 3 points.
It's news related.
Yeah. And it ate the reclaim within 60 seconds or something.
Well, I'm going through her book again because, like, I would have missed that the first go.
Yeah, I just finished my first read yesterday.
Hold up. What? Sorry. I launched something and noise blasted me.
Yeah, it did that to me too. I finished my first read through yesterday, so I'm going to start it again today.
I would still launch it from chapter 1 because it's actually
Yeah, I'm
a
gonna.
theory about Charles Dow, Richard Ney, and Richard Wyckoff.
Yeah, that was my favorite
Yeah.
chapter. I really liked that chapter. I love shit like that, man. Have you ever read Reminiscences of a Stock Operator?
I listened to the audiobook when I first started trading, and I didn't finish it.
Yeah, it was a tough read when I first started trading too, but I'm thinking about cracking it open again because it's interesting, man. I find that shit so interesting.
I'm curious about that out of print book. It's from, it might be from Ney. that she says it's the foundational book for institutions.
Mhm.
Which Nay apparently nailed every top and bottom. He could tell. She's even confident in the book, saying you'll know every twist and turn.
Yeah. And I mean, we we kind of fucking nailed it yesterday, you know. So I think the fucking evidence is there. Even today, man, like right before open, about 20 minutes before open in pre-market, it printed a top with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dojis in a row, almost in a row, in one tight area, and then it puked.
Yeah.
So there's something there, man. There's definitely something there. So it looks like we're failing to take this reclaim back, which could be a change in character.
Hey, when you screenshot, make this dash.
Oh, you're
Keep posting your shit on Twitter.
yeah, I'm gonna.
'Cause I'm trying to use you to sell more Tradecraft.
Yeah, I figured. I'll pump that shit, dude. I got no problem with that.
Like, here's the widgets I did, just so you know.
He did
So equity curve right, the 1, 2, 3 widget, but I put in my A+ ones at the top left. It's up to you. And then that other widget looks like the journal. You're gonna filter it color by rating, and then just click on entry date.
yeah, I'll set that up just so it looks looks professional.
Ah, shit! I need Jigsaw to turn on. Have you hit a trade yet?
I hit a pulse check, which was a loser.
It's alright. You started off like that yesterday.
Yeah. which is a good thing, honestly. I would rather my pulse checks be losers so that I'm more cautious.
Yeah. Yep.
And I almost placed the trade too, but then I remembered. I'm like, what happened yesterday? You know, my fucking pulse check saved me from those losses.
I'm gonna get my checklists. I need to get the. I need to get this checklist adjusted.
Like, you mean tweaking it? Or just running the checklist? Is that what you mean?
I need to get this one on the other time frames.
Okay.
What is this? The 1 second.
We are in a nasty range right now. Holy
Max volume.
fuck.
New bid. New bid.
Oh yeah, it just moved on.
We must have had news. I didn't check the market news today. IMF Global Outlook. all-time high, I think. No, it double topped all-time high. Oh no, it didn't. Never mind. All-time high is 57. It looks like. Yeah, 57 is all-time high. Looks like we got inflation numbers. 4.4% versus 5% forecast.
What's that?
Inflation actual 4.4%, forecasted at 5%. So good bullish inflation numbers.
Yeah, but then there could be another set of news where it's like, oh, fuck you.
Yeah, pretty much.
I need to open this.
Where's my...
Or I need to allow Miller to come in here.
Yeah, go for it.
Fuck, what is his username? It's Millie. Ah, fuck it.
Economic calendar. Do we have anything else today?
New bid.
Copy.
Yeah, I don't think we have any other news today.
Oh shit, I can't fucking paste the fucking checklist. Oh wait, I can. Just add some colors here.
Middle volume.
Alright, 30-minute, we're still churning. 5 minutes still really hasn't moved.
So we got Doji below.
Middle volume.
Doji above.
Don't think I need to change my checklist. I think this is all still valid. Resistance into reclaims. Downside clear take back. No downside liquidity. Upside might be holding now. We'll see. I'll wait until I change that.
New bid. Middle
Yeah,
volume.
I'm gonna change this. Upside holding short.
Max volume.
Be looking at the market. I just want to. If I don't do this now, I won't want to do it at the end of the session. There we go. Okay.
Middle volume.
Yeah, holding short, holding short. I'm gonna take back. I'm gonna go back on that. Just caution.
Middle volume. Volume.
Downside liquidity. Could be breaching.
Minute.
Middle volume.
Three minute. Second. Negative 3 seconds. I can give you the JSON on this actually.
Well, that would help. I would change all your I would change your time frames around, but I would keep everything else. I think.
All you can, well, you can copy and paste the clusters and put it into your
Oh,
list.
cool. That would help. Yeah.
Cool. Got it. All right.
Let's see if we put in a doji here. Alright, we just put in a doji on the 32nd. Looks like the price is slowing. We are still taking back reclaims to the upside. My checklist
see
is
what's
kind of
going
mixed right now.
So we are at all-time highs and we're like chilling. I figured they could put it at all-time highs. And they're pulling back. I mean, you got a fucking break of a... I think there was a flat top there on the sort of
Yeah.
liquidity area. So they're breaching it. They're actually churning. So when I'm going to go to 30-minute, we're going to put
Yeah, I put churning on mine too.
range, sloppy slip range, failure, churn for the breakout. And my new reclaim checker, by the way, will build a narrative for you. The newer, because I did alter the shit out of the reclaim check. So all you got to do is just, is it a clean take back on the top side, partial resistance before take back, no take back, pure dump. You know, when they put in a reclaim and they don't even test it. So you have full take back like a V flush, a partial EV being created before it's taken back, or it just runs from it. And it'll be on top side, bottom side.
Okay.
Doji check. Do we have dojis on this time frame? Fuck no, we don't. But actually, there are dojis, and it had continuation, which is interesting. On the 30-minute. So we got churn. What about the 3-minute?
Let's take a pulse check long here, but
Max volume.
might be underwater on it pretty quick. Let's see what it does.
You on a trade?
No, pulse check.
So on the 3-minute, Man, I would say we're in an uptrend, but we really aren't. We're in a fucking.
Middle volume.
There we go. I'm getting some.
It
volume.
almost like a range. I would say on the 3-minute, we may not really enter. I think on the 3-minute, we're in a value search. 30 minutes not going to have channels.
Max
We
volume.
got a liquidity topside breach, possible long.
Middle volume.
I'm not gonna run a reclaim check on that. Are they building bottom side liquidity here? Yeah, there is a little bit of a bottom side. 38.50s, which has held.
Yeah, I'm underwater on this trade. I'd probably have to cut it here for point loss.
Max volume.
This pulse check, rather.
What was it, a long?
It was a long, and I had volume coming into the reclaim, but then it failed pretty quick, and then we got more volume as it failed, which meant probably continuation.
Let's take a look. Liquidity in the 38.50s. There was some topside liquidity that got breached at 50.50. Oh, for sure. Looks to me like topside liquidity will not be reliable.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
You're getting, it isn't. So topside is not reliable. 3-minute. 3-minute, I think, is in value search
Middle volume.
mode.
Muted.
It's not. It doesn't quite
Max
look like a
volume.
range. Liquidity top side is not reliable. It's held, it's V flush, it's unreliable. What about, is there any channels? Have you noticed any channels? There was
No.
one on the 3-minute that went down in the overnight and blew out. SGD/U. But that's one. What about bottom side liquidity? 3-minute. We've had it here. They breached it.
Middle volume.
What about back?
Max
There's some
volume.
over here as well, which has been breached. We're seeing bottom side liquidity get breached. On the 3-minute. Bottom side breaching, possible short.
Max volume.
And we've had 2 of them. My liquidity checklist
Muted.
needs to get where I can run a narrative. Like endless loops. There is a channel about reclaims. Oh, that's a tough one. No compression. Any dojis on the 3-minute? Oh, actually, the top of the fucking, the very top, like you
Max
said.
volume.
Yeah.
3-minute. A thumbtack and a doji.
Max volume.
Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Unfucking believable. Then there was 2 dojis right where we're at now on 43s
New bid.
on the 3-minute. One here and here. It is overnight. There's another doji, another one.
Middle volume.
and we're breaching those. Something else is
volume.
going down, and
What does the 5-minute look like on volume here? There's some pretty good volume on that candle.
Jesus, doji, doji, doji,
New bid.
doji. We're breaching through a mass of dojis.
Max volume.
Yeah, we're
God
getting some
damn.
volume now. Jesus Christ.
Ah, fuck, I have delayed data.
Oh, you gotta pay your fucking. You gotta pay your CR chart.
Yeah, because it's showing me we're still at 42s.
We're at, yeah, we're at
Do
30,
that.
36s right now.
Middle volume.
I knew it was coming. I usually pay him like $100, so it like. I'll bring it back.
Middle volume. New bid. Max volume.
Holy fuck.
Max volume. New bid.
Oh, what do I gotta do? I gotta make a fucking agreement.
I just took a short here on 38.
You're short?
Yeah. My checklist is screaming continuation at me.
Still on delayed data here. Your agreement has not been submitted.
Took 3 ticks on it. I think that exit was a
I
little
owe them
premature.
$1 for what?
See if lightning strikes twice. I'm gonna try it. Short again, 38.50.
Shorten it and you're getting fucked up.
No, I'm getting good trades. Take a point off that. See if it'll give it to me. Touch no fill. I'll take another 3 ticks if it'll give it to me.
I can't.
Took a 2 tick win on that, so I've got two winning trades so far for 5 ticks total.
I have to keep signing agreements with Sierra Chart. This is so I can get more spam fucking calls in the future.
Oh, is that like your non-professional bullshit?
To continue to... I gotta fucking... Now I gotta connect my... my jigsaw to Sierra Charts once a month to prove that I'm not a professional.
No, that's fucking stupid.
Volume. Max volume.
Holy fucking volume. Jesus Christ. Getting rising volume at the bottom of a downtrend.
Middle volume.
Patience. I don't want you over fucking hitting. I know you gotta go to work and shit. I need you to relax.
Yeah, I'm good. That those 2 trades were so good. They're too good to fucking let go. Now my clarity isn't perfect, but I'm pretty sure because of what this volume is doing. I think this is gonna continue.
Are we at 36?
Yeah.
Squawk. Can't hear it for some reason. Did you have to reconnect Price Squawk?
No, but I did have to. It was fucking around on me earlier. I had to delete it from my my studies and then reattach it to my studies. But the preset we made yesterday should still be there as long as you saved it.
Add custom study. The universe is trying to teach me a lesson about patience.
Yeah, it is.
Nothing's working. Any goddamn day now.
New bid.
You might need to restart your Sierra chart too, since you just signed your agreement. I know I have to do that anytime I like pay a bill or something. I gotta fucking restart it. Fuck yeah, dude! I was right about that continuation. I didn't take it, but we're at 34s now. God, it fucking feels good to be able to call shit like that.
New bid. Middle volume.
There we go. Shut up. I don't need to register. I already done it.
Yeah, it yells that at me anyways too.
God damn, dude.
Yeah, dude. It's bloodbath.
Max volume.
33 bid. 32 bid. Getting pretty good volume here too, which means it's probably gonna keep going.
Yeah, we did reach a major area.
New bid.
31 bid.
Max volume.
Can't just get into this though. That would be fucking suicide. On the 3-second, we have 2 dojis ripping up. A couple of continuation dojis above us. 30-second is, what is the 30-second doing? Downtrend.
Interesting. So 5 minute we had that big volume spike, and now the spread on these candles is getting wider on lower volume.
Traditional short. There's okay, at these 35s there might be a pivot.
Yeah.
That was not stopping volume on the 30-second. Dead zone up here.
Could be a V flush here if it holds above.
I have. If they don't hold this up, this is probably gonna roll.
Where's my? Liquidity downside.
New bid.
Low volume. Doji. Sup with it.
New bid.
I have a short at 34.50 and I just got out of it at 31.50. That might be fucking it for me.
Damn. Nice, dude.
Huh?
What'd you get on it?
I'm looking. 1753.
Nice, dude. Yeah, that's a fucking trading day right there.
Here, look. Let me show you. Look at my screen.
Hold on.
Unless you're about to, or
No,
are you
I'm-
hunting it?
I'm just checklisting them.
Okay.
All right, what do you get going on?
So on the 3-minute, here's a doji, here's a doji, here's a doji, and a thumbtack. 3-minute. This is big deal. They went up off that. That's like a 4-way deal. Then another doji. So this whole area is then another. So there's a shitload of dojis here, and they rip it up. They should off of something like that. But then they come back and they're breaching this section.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we go to the 30-second. Where was it? Right here, 2 dojis. 1 and 2. And then obviously they're hitting a continuation. And we know that on we also know, let me zoom out of this. Okay, look at yesterday's volume on this. Okay.
Yeah.
On the 3 minute, you can see the open, the close. Basically rising on decreasing volume and relatively flat as it drifted up.
Yeah.
Look at the prior day. Or is this the prior? No, that's the overnight. Here's prior, right? Prior, there was a V flush, but again, raising on flat volume. Right in this section. This is how I hit that $15,000 trade. You're getting 2 days of this bullshit where they go up. There might be continuation on it. And since I fucking... But also when I entered, there was a, yeah, up here or some bullshit. Where was it? Where was that enter? Look how many dojis and shit there were a dead zone up in the 35s. Because if we go back on the 3 second, there was another dead zone up there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good precedence. You nailed that. I'm watching the 5 minute right now. I want to see what happens with these candles, and I got exactly what I wanted. So the spread of the candles are getting wider on lower volume, which is a good sign of slowing down, according to fucking Anna Colin.
That's
so
phenomenal.
People would have thought that big tall wick high volume candle, they're like, oh, that's the capitulation, I'm gonna go long, but that's wrong, and now they're underwater and they got liquidated. And when the spread of the candles got wider on lower volume, that's the real sign that things are slowing down. So on to the 3 second, we're taking back reclaims now. I switched that on my checklists. There are a couple other things on the checklists that are switching to long bias, like liquidity. We're holding bottom side liquidity. Let me switch that on. Liquidity downside.
Well, first and foremost, they're breaching 35, which is an important dead zone.
Upside liquidity could be breaching on the 3 second.
Are these hanging min on the 30 second? I could see them flushing it up here.
Long scalp.
But I'm afraid of that damn slip zone. There is a massive slip below us. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, anything I do needs to be slip favor.
They have raising volume here on the 3 second in the green. I want to pulse check 35.75 long. Oh, and that would instantly get slapped. I'd cut it.
I'm gonna try for a slip favor long.
I would be flat here personally because it could go, but just know it could really fuck you, and you need to be prepared for that.
Yeah.
I'd like to see them raise the volume again, which they kind of are. What I don't like is there's a slip range below us, and they're fucking putting in a micro slip here.
Yeah, I want to leverage this micro slip.
Like, well, what I think could happen, yeah, if you're gonna go long, it'd be better to be on the, well, what the problem is getting, let's see what they do.
A little bit of volume coming in.
You have raising volume again. Here. The problem is this 35 is a doji resistance area. This is true blue resistance. This is why, like, if they can't breach this, they're dumping it.
Yeah.
So, I would see if they're gonna raise the volume yet again. which they are. This, I would go for the break. I don't know if I would be able to get into that.
But yeah, I'm not gonna chase it. But that does confirm.
When you get into these dead zones with the dojis and shit, it's kind of sometimes it's best to wait for it to come out.
Middle volume. Max volume.
Max volume, yeah. I like what's going on there. Shimmy back, let's see. I'm gonna try 35 and a half. Let's see if they reclaim. I gotta be tight on it though, because that could have just been a liquidity grab before they head lower.
That's what I think. You need to not take much of a loss if you're gonna go on this. The fact they V-flushed it back in here is sketch as fuck. There's zero buying at this point. Sellers are getting dug in too.
I'm gonna take a tick on it if it'll give it to me.
Just start considering bailing it before it gets too nasty.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. It's not filling me on anything though.
New bid. Max volume.
Yeah, that was nasty. I took a 10 tick on that one.
Max volume.
It's still a good trade. Like I think I am gonna.
I don't think it was because they V-flushed right back into the... the problem is there's too much resistance in 35s, and if they're coming back in there, I think you could get a short. Just be patient.
Middle volume.
Yeah. Let me watch this a little longer because I don't want to fight my checklist either. So just failed that reclaim. Get a new dummy trade on here. Downside liquidity still holding.
Short 33.50. I'm gonna take 5 on it.
Yeah, I think that's a good call. I want them to set up another slip range on it.
They're not fucking filling my ass. Fuck all though. So you're too slow on that. Sometimes you gotta just fucking twitch out
Yeah.
that loss. There it is. I had 2 dojis on the 3 second up here, side by side. Confirming. Like, sometimes you can't wait for that pullback, like on that one trade. Like, we know that 35 was a major resistance area. It breached it. If it's coming right back in, that's
Okay.
telling us some bad shit.
Mm.
Middle volume. Middle volume. Max volume.
Don't rush it. Don't FOMO it.
I'm good. I got nothing. I got nothing on this move.
Up here in the 33s where I got short, that is another resistance area potentially.
Yeah, and I got reclaim fade on my checklist.
Also, we have expanding volume on the 3-minute, or expanding bars. Like, the bodies of the candles are not gotten tight on this down move. This seems like a natural. let's do a mute your price squawk. I want to do a 30, like it just a
All right.
30-second Wim Hof with you.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? Here we go. 1 second in, breathing in, out. 5 seconds in, staying as intense as you can to get the buzz. 10 seconds in, coming up to 15 seconds, breathing as hard as you can, breathing in as deep as you can, trying to get as high as you can off your breath work, moving the air. 25, 26. Keep breathing, getting ready to exhale now, rolling the eyes up into the forehead, feeling the buzz, knowing that you have an abundance of opportunities. Losses are a part of the game, and you are completely content and okay with what is going on because you know how to hunt, you know how to stalk, and you know that there is ample amounts of time to get a trade. And if it doesn't happen today, that's okay. You are completely fine and relaxed with that. Just waiting for complete clarity. Coming back in.
Okay.
I'm tacking Doji on the 30-second.
Yeah, good call. Looks like we're
And then
accepting.
there's another Doji back here too.
Back into lows. A little bit of a channel down on the 3 second.
There's liquidity on 30 even, and I do believe that, I mean, they're hovering over it. I do believe they're going to jam it.
Yeah.
I
I
don't
do
know
too.
when, though.
The evidence
a
is
bunch of-
clear.
The 3 second has a shitload of dojis right in the 3150 zone. This is temporary support.
Yeah, we're establishing a micro slip range here. I want to try and utilize it at 3250 short. I'm gonna try it.
Now, well, you need to be, you're in a pinch point, so it could blow either direction. Just be very aware of that.
Yeah. No fill on that.
They need to be okay, they need to be printing 31. I would probably posture, don't rush it. Or did you get in?
I got it. 3250. Looks a little bit like compression. I'm gonna take the break even on it.
Did you get it?
Not yet. I'm trying to get the one tick on it. Just getting fills as a bitch.
Hold on, you might be sitting pretty. It's dead. It's dead zoning. Go ahead, don't even scrub it. You might be able to hold it.
Alright.
Shit. Oh, you son of a bitch. If they can print 3275. Yeah, man, you got into a fucking shady area,
Max
dude.
volume.
Because like I told you, it was a pinch.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gotta wait for these sons of a bitches to come out. There's another dead zone up here. Could rotate in. Are you still in it?
Yeah. Slip favor
Okay,
a
if
little
they
bit here.
Sometimes you take heat. And hopefully they don't hold it here. If they hold it here, this is a problem. Huge doji again. 30-second. You- 35 is major resistance. So there. So they just breached, which is good. So you might be able to ride this.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what happens. I mean, I've already eaten fucking 9 ticks of drawdown on it. Bankrolling certainly wouldn't hurt though. Let's see, 3150.
You might get 30 even. I mean, there's so much confirming on it. They're building resistance. You're good. You're good, dude. You're in a good spot. See, you got into that too early, dude.
Yeah.
I need you to really pay attention to those dojis and let them like really be support and resistance. Now they're putting in something here. It could be a floor. If they can breach through this on the bottom side, you're gonna be pretty good for now. Okay, you're good for now.
There's
Dead zone.
3150.
They're now start covering the dom.
Yeah.
Look for an overshoot through 30. There could be hardcore dumping. We'll see. Now, obviously, there's some fuckery going on here. We could also do like going dead again, but they're on the bottom side of it. They're dying. There's huge reloading on 3225. Raising volume. See, what I don't like is on the 32nd, the volume has been flat since we've been down here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna get caught up in a broader range. Now they're above that one dead zone, which is not good.
Yeah, I want to see them accept back below it quick. Otherwise, I'm gonna hop out of this. Okay, I like that, and I want to see it stay down here. I don't want to see it come back up again.
Fuck, they're going dead. If they can go one tick below, they'll be alright. 30, I want to see him hit 150s.
Yeah, I want 150s too.
So when the holds are uncomfortable, the problem a lot of traders lose is they're not. They'll hold losers, but winners they get skittish on.
Yeah.
Middle volume.
I wonder if they're gonna pull a pennant.
Reclaim fade there. They took back the reclaim and then they failed it.
I hear that. Order flow is hitting. This is a slip area on the 32nd.
It almost looks like compression too, downward compression on the 32nd.
You get caught in a range. 35s is.
Middle volume.
See if they can dead zone out of here.
Yeah, they touched me there. They touched my stop right there.
Middle volume.
Alright, man. I would break or something for now.
Yeah, I think that was
Volume.
a solid trade, but I was way too early. Like way too early. I needed to be short at like 34s, 34.50.
Well, I think with that one earlier trade, the one before, it seemed kind of a little. It's like you're not seeing something.
Yeah, I think with that it might have been like an over reliance on the checklist. Because I started readjusting my checklist. I'm like, oh my god, there's something here, you know. But I can't just fall in love with it, you know. I can't fall in love with what my checklist is telling me. I gotta confirm it, you know.
Yeah,
The
when your
checklist isn't supposed to
checklist,
tell me
when
to
it's
trade.
switching, well, it's a slower process. The moment that checklist is screaming at you that the price action is gonna fuck around, and then you gotta start really looking for the support and resistance.
Yeah.
You're still stalling here. You should take a break.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Alright, I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna go work out, and I'll listen to some more. I'll restart Anacholine.
Yeah, just I mean, you can have losing days. Just accept it. Feel the burn. I need you to do breath work when you review this,
Yeah, I will.
to the point where like you're completely okay with it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good practice. And I mean that's kind of the point of what we're doing here, you know. It's not the point of doing all these drills isn't for fucking sunshine and rainbows, you know. It's like we need those tough days. Cuz that's where the best learning opportunities are, you know.
Days ago I was down, so
Yeah. So, I'm gonna get started on working out and shit, and then I'll circle back to review later. My full review might not be done until Monday, though,
okay.
just because I gotta work, and then I gotta work this weekend too, Saturday and Sunday. I gotta work, but I can fit in some review time after I get home and shit like that. So by Monday, before I trade again, I'll have those done.
All right.
All right, man. I'll catch you later.
See ya.
See ya.
New bid.